Hi everyone, welcome to Snappyit. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use Snappyit's Virtual Try-On feature step by step. Virtual Try-On places your product onto a realistic human model using AI. Instead of photographing every garment on a model, you only need one clean product image: flat lay, mannequin, or hanging. Snappyit automatically handles the fit, proportions, and lighting so the results look natural and are ready for e-commerce. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing for more Snappyit tutorials. Now let's take a look at how Virtual Try-On works. Step 1, upload your original garment image. Click Upload Image or simply drag your file here. For best results, make sure the garment is fully visible. Only one product per image. No heavy background clutter. You don't need a studio photo. A clean phone photo works perfectly. Step 2, set the try-on area. By default, it's set to auto, which works for most garments. Snappyit automatically detects whether your product is a top, dress, or bottom and applies it to the correct area of the model. You can adjust this later if needed, but in most cases, auto is all you need. Step 3, select your try-on models. Click Select Try-On Model. You can upload your own custom models or choose from our recommended models. To narrow your selection, you can filter models by gender, age, body type, style. This makes it easy to find models that align with your brand and target audience. You can select multiple models at the same time, allowing you to compare how the same garment looks across different models and presentation styles. Step 4, select the image count, then click Generate. Snappyit will process your image and generate realistic try-on results across all selected models. Step 5, review and download the results. You'll notice the garment fits naturally on each model. The fabric retains its original texture. The lighting adapts to each model's environment. You can download the generated images and use them directly for your e-commerce needs. If you'd like to explore more features such as ghost mannequin or color change, be sure to check out our other tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.